What's up, everybody? Got another set of 240 light-up swing arms with a set of custom wheels from Syndicate Custom Sport Bikes. Both are for 99207 Busa. The first set you see right here is a new wheel that we're going to be offering. It's called the Saga. Take a look at it. It's like a nice 5-spoke design. I got the matching rear wheel here. All we got left to do is just install some hubs. And this setup's going to be leaving today. Custom light up swing arm. It says 1 time. It's all chrome plated. This one we built for this room. About 12 over arm. And we've got another. There's another new set of wheels we built. Just some one-offs. It's going to have a plate that goes inside the wheel. We're not going to tell you what's going to be in there. We'll let you guys find out later once the bike's all together. But they're going to have inserts in these wheels. This is all chrome plated too. It's got a light up swing arm on it. It says Nate Dog. If you guys are looking for something that's different and custom, we can offer you pretty much anything out there. If you see something you like, let us know. We'll make it for you. Just remember to check us out at the web at syndicatecs.net, or you can call us today at 352-274-0652.